Hello students, today we are discussing about binary codes. In digital system, there are large number of codes used for different purposes such as arithmetic operations, data entry, error detection and correction, etc. So what is code? A code is a unique combination of zeros and one. Binary number system is also called as natural or straight binary code. There are other codes commonly used. Those are BCD code, ASCII code and EBCDIC code. So first, BCD code. BCD means binary coded decimal. It is binary code. In this code, decimal digits 0 through 9 are represented by their natural binary equivalents using 4 bits. For example, for 4 decimal, there is 0, 1, 0, 0 BCD up to 9 decimal BCD and binary equivalents are same. But for decimal numbers greater than 9, procedure is somewhat different. So try one example. Decimal 39, we have to convert it into BCD. First, write given number in a such way that there is some space or gap between adjacent digits in this way. Then write 4-bit binary equivalent of each is number. So 9, this 4-bit binary equivalent is 1 0 0 1, 3 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 1. This is the BCD equivalent of decimal number 39. Try for other example. Suppose 470, this decimal, we have to convert it into its BCD equivalent, not binary. Procedure is write this number in a such a way that there is some space between adjacent digits. Then write 4-bit binary equivalent of each number. There is 0 0 0 0 0 for 7 0 1 1 1 for 4 0 1 0 0, that is for 470 decimal, its BCD equivalent is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. This is BCD equivalent of decimal 470. This BCD code is also called as 8421 code. This is weighted code. These are the weightages: 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. BCD codes are used in different applications. Those are, it is used for input and output operations in digital systems. Second one, it is used in electronic counters, digital voltmeters, digital clocks. It is also used in pocket calculators. So we have to convert this given decimal number into its BCD equivalent. Example, so number 4793 decimal, we have to convert it to BCD. Procedure is write given number in a such a way that there is some space or gap between adjacent digits. Then write 4-bit binary equivalent of each number 3 0 0 1 1 91001 70111 40100 and combine these all digits, bits. So now let us how BCD number is converted to its decimal equivalent. BCD to decimal conversion. To convert given BCD number into its decimal equivalent, procedure is form group of 4 bit from LSB. Start from LSB and form group of 4 bit. Suppose this is given BCD number, this group of 4 bit, another group of 4 bit and remaining group of 4 bit. And when you form the group of 4 bit from LSB, then convert each group 4 bit group into its decimal equivalent. So 100 decimal is 8, 0101 decimal is 5, 0101 decimal is 5, and 1001 decimal is 9. This is how given BCD number is converted into its decimal equivalent. One more example, try for one more example. Suppose number is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is BCD number. We have to convert it into decimal equivalent. So now this right number 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1. Procedure is form group of 4 bit from LSB. Start from LSB. So this is LSB. This is group of 4 bit. Another group of 4 bit. Another group of 4 bit and remaining group of 4 bit. And now convert this 4 bit group into its decimal equivalent. This is 1 0 1 1 0. This is 6 0 0 1 0. This is 2 and this is 8. That is equal to 8 2 6 1. This is decimal. You can try for different examples how this BCD number is converted into its decimal equivalent. Second code is ASCII code. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII code is 7-bit code. It is used for representing 128 numbers, letters, punctuation marks or other functions. The ASCII, ASCII, pronounced as ASCII, it is most widely used code for data communication. Another code is, third code is EBCDIC. EBCDIC, extended BCD interchange code, means extended binary coded decimal interchange code. This EBCDIC code is alphanumeric code. It is developed by IBM and it is an 8-bit code. You must remember the number of bits of code. ASCII code is 7-bit code and EBCDIC code is 8-bit code. This code allows maximum number of characters to 56 characters. And this is an improvement over ASCII code. In your syllabus, not in detail, you must remember the number of bits of code and its applications. Thank you.